Do I look lonely? I see the shadows on my face. People have told me I don't look the same. Maybe I lost weight. I'm playing hooky with the best of the best. Put my heart on my chest so that you can see it too. I'm walking the long road, watching the sky fall. The lace in your dress tingles my neck. How do I live? The Death of a Bachelor by Panic at the Disco. Brendan Urie has a fantastic voice, and this song is a really relatively simple chord progression, but it's just such a great song. Download your chart. We're going to go right through it from start to finish. The chords in the verse are a little bit, let's say, jazzier than they are in the chorus. So we're starting off with a D minor 7, and as far as strumming with this song goes, I think you can kind of, you can suit yourself, but I think just a single pick or strum on each chord here in the verses works really well. And if you're singing it, you probably want to concentrate on doing that. But we start with a D minor 7, then a G7, followed by a C major 7, shadows on my face, A minor 7. So you'll notice all those chords are 7s, which is just kind of an extended voicing from your normal D minor, G, C, A minor. That sounds a little bit plain. If you delve a little bit deeper, make these 7 voicings work, the song just suddenly sounds more sophisticated. So D minor 7, G7, I'll see the shadows, C major 7, A minor 7. People have told me, same chords again, I don't look the same, but when you get to the C major 7, stop and hold that for a bar. On the 4th beat of that bar, just slip up into this C sharp diminished chord, which is basically just moving the root note up to the 4th fret on the A string, and you can leave the rest of those notes as they are. Maybe I lost weight. Go back to the same chords. I'm playing hooky with the best of the best. Put my heart on my chest so that you can see it too. Again, on the 4th beat of this, up to that C sharp diminished. Walking the long road. Now we go to actually an F major 7, then we move it to an F minor. So to do that, you start with that shape for an F major 7, and then put your first finger across the 1st fret, and don't strum anything on these bottom 2 strings. That's your F minor voicing. Watching the sky fall. C major 7, A minor 7, and then the last little bit, which is really nice. Back to the D minor 7, the lace in your dress. Then we go to a D sharp diminished chord. Tingles my neck. How do I live? And you want to hit a normal G major chord for that last one. When he sings that live, that last note there. Then we move into the chorus. Now the chorus has more straightforward chords. The Death of a Bachelor, A minor, D7, F. Now I tend to like doing an F with a C bass on it, but a normal F is fine, or an F bar chord also sounds good and nice and full for this chorus, because you obviously want the chorus to kind of, leap out. But using these more straightforward voicings allows this chorus to kind of sound a little bit stronger, if you like. Death of a Bachelor, whoa, oh, oh. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Do it again. Bum, 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 da, 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 da. And that little chord progression, you run through it 4 times. The Death of a Bachelor. Then on your chart, you hit that repeat sign and you go right back to the start for verse 2. Then we move into another chorus, you do that chorus the same way, and then we get to the bridge. Now the bridge is kind of like this little riff, which it does twice without any kind of chords or backing, Then the chords sort of underneath the chorus. Chorus chords go underneath it and does that riff twice. So if you want an extra challenge, you can try and hit the bass notes underneath that riff. You can go, what would it be? Okay. If you want that extra little challenge, otherwise just play it straight. Through those chorus chords, the second two riffs, then you're into the chorus. And it takes you out. The death of a bachelor. Now, the strumming for the chorus, like I said, you can actually build it up. You can do it, you know, more of a... Strum it however you like, but at the end the chorus goes twice through and then you're done. That's the end of the song. It's a fantastic song by Panic at the Disco, and I hope you enjoy playing it. If you have any issues, any questions, any comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it because it supports the channel, and we'll see you here again soon.